In this video, we will be talking about statistics and its applications. So what is statistics? The word statistics is derived from classical Latin root, where status means state. It is a branch of mathematics dealing with data collection, organization, analysis, interpretation and presentation of the data. Statistics is also the practice or science of collecting and analyzing numerical data in large quantities, especially for the purpose of inferring proportions in a whole from those in a representative sample. As potential users of statistics, we need to master both the science and the art of using statistical methodology correctly. By using the correct methodology, we could define the situation, gathering data, summarizing the data accurately and able to derive and communicate conclusions. Next, let's talk about application of statistics in the real world. Examples of application of statistics are economics, businesses, education, agricultural, healthcare and astronomy. There are so many concepts of economics that are completely dependent on statistics. In economics, all the data that are available are collected to find out the national income, employment, inflation and many more are interpreted through statistics. In fact, theory of demand and supply, or the relationship between exports and imports are studied involving statistics. Statistics is used every day in business. It can be used to calculate the sales, compare the growth of the company, calculate cost and many others. By looking at the statistical numbers, it can help a businessman to understand and makes better decision to forecast their products or services and calculate the cost in production that will be used in future. For instance, a manager would be able to keep track on information such as sales per month, number of salesmen, production cost and so on. This would help a manager to check whether the stock is available during certain seasons or to send the sales worker to other branch which could maximize the company's profit. In education, test score for example is one of the most commonly used statistics around the world. They are used to evaluate the effectiveness of classroom teachers and the validity of the tests themselves as well as the effects of various risk factors on educational outcomes. Application of statistic enables us to review our score, compare with other universities and upgrade to achieve higher score. For example, UUM ranked 601st to 650th in QS World University Rankings 2019. In agriculture, statistics is a very useful application to evaluate data in all activities. For example, it can be applied by doing the selection of seed types, fertilizer and water usage in order to determine the quality and size of grains grown due to the use of different fertilizer. It can also be used to know what the amount of crops have been grown this year compared to last year so that they can measure the amount of crops to be used later on. Quantitative research guides healthcare decision makers with statistics numerical data collected from measurements or observation that describe the characteristics of specific population samples. Statistics is able to summarize the utility, efficiency and costs of medical goods and services. For example, in hospitals, statistics is used as implement data-driven to ensure continuous quality improvement programs to maximize efficiency, the overall health and well-being of populations. Statistical methodology with deep roots in probability theory provides quantitative procedures for extracting scientific knowledge from astronomical data and for testing astrophysical theory. When astronomers measured the distance between Sun and Earth, or Moon and Earth, they use statistical methods to help them find out the best answers and estimates the possibilities. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.